Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kebadan Hakiling Ribhoi District mentakasngi kalau penlong ni ke program lekmen halor ke jingyo jimunjur jong ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital nak National Medical Commission jongkari ban pleno ya te ke jaka puli nak bentakan line Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery, MBBS kebadan Shispa San Pau teli kisi. Hagani ka sngi rakhe ka te ke jaka puli ke ba ainam kerpang haga kerteng jong uwe na kirusan Hima sima ba paunam ka rilum garo bat jong ke jala Meghalaya upurno agitok Sangma. Lawan banadot mentalang nadu ukan Rakhe Sangma menteri rang wa ke jala bat ubaderu ukun jong UPA Sangma kasura dini ke Sangma kurim jong UPA Sangma ka Dr. Mazel Amperin Lingdo menteri jong ke sarkar jala U80 mandal menteri ke sarkar jala uba balajir kupar senram MLA jong ke Shila constituency Uma Bubul Huk Chancellor jong ke USTM lembat kiwe de. Haba ajing kran hakan ke sngi ukan Rakhe Sangma ulapun pau ke jing snokmen ke bakraw halor ke jingyo jingmenjur jong ke PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital nak NMC ke ba ulaong bakalong kum ke jingpot snew ke balawan urlong shisha. Ulaong ru bawat lada ukpa ula klatno nak zaperthei hendrei ka nam ke buram barkikam ke ba ula senyang syaka imlang ke salang ka yayim bat ai kuble kerpang ru ye Uma Bubul Huk ubala ai nam kerpang ya ketika shlam pule kaban saple no shen haga kerteng jong ukpa jong u haga ni gaski na kalyang ukan Rakhe Sangma ula ai jingmut ru ikibor penya jong ke USTM makin shnano da ke kenja hall ke bakerpang ban pensa jingken mau yaki riu kraw ke jela ringkat ke khana ke jongki khnang bagi samla pule bat kipat ba ki bayu i kentep ya lagi jong ke riu kraw jong ke jela na kalyang ukan Rakhe Sangma ula pen pau ru haga ni gasngi bana kalyang ke sarkar jela kan ai ke jingkershan ke bapura ya ke skul ba USTM ban penlong ya ke PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital kum ka wei ne ke jaka pule bat ka jaka ajing sumar ke bapau nam om ha ka than chade lam ingi ne kari hendrai wat shakiri jong ka pertheiru kumju.
We now like to request all of the chancellors and vice chancellors. We also like to felicitate Dr. N. Amperin, the Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya. We also like to invite Padma Shri Dr. Sadasha Sahat, our Vice Chancellor, to also do the honors.
Today made USTM, and I again repeat, made USTM one of the most important and most performing education institutions in our state and in the region of Northeast and in the country as a whole. So yes, I think Mr. Hawk does deserve a round of applause. So we should all give him a round of applause for the work in education that he has done. And on behalf of our family, my mother and all of us, it's really something very touching to see that Mr. Hawk has named this medical college after late PA Sangma. I think this is another very important quality I've seen in Mr. Hawk, is that when he gets connected with somebody, the years may pass, but he doesn't forget. You have seen Mr. Balajit Syndrome this year. He's our Honorable MLA, son of late Don Roy, the Chief Minister who gave the USTM the bill and the act to set up this university, and not more than that, gave the entire permissions, spacing, everything. And Mr. Balajit Syndrome is sitting here with us. Though Dr. Don Roy is not here, I'm sure he is looking down from above, and I'm very happy to see that the seeds that he had sown in 2008, or the nurturing that he had allowed, and the space that he had given, has today led to an institute like this, which is today shaping the lives of our youngsters, shaping their future, and more importantly, shaping the future of our region, our state, and the country as a whole. P.A. Sangma was a person who believed in investing in our youth. He used to always tell us that the greatest investment a government can do is to invest in its youth. Because the returns that come out of that is just, unlimited. You just don't know what kind of returns you may get. Because it's unlimited. That's how great investments in the youngsters is what he suffered with. These are his values that he had. And he instilled those values in us to ensure that when we also came in as a government, education was one of the most important things for us. There are a lot of challenges. I'm not saying that we've been able to solve everything. But the focus, the decisions that we take today are much easier for us because there are principles and values that have been set in our mind, in our hearts, allows us to make those decisions much quicker because we know what we want to do. And Mr. P.A. Sangma was very instrumental in setting those values for us and instilling those values in us. Ms. A.T. Mondal has given you a small glimpse of what late P.A. Sangmaji's values were. I would encourage Popstar that in the campus, you can have one small hall or a small hallway dedicated to Dr. Don Cooper Roy, which talks about his life, what he was, what he wasn't, what he did, what contributions he made, what values he believed in. Similarly, P.A. Sangmaji hall. I know you have made the whole building and a medical college in his name, you don't need a hall. But the story of P.A. Sangma, it's not just a name, it's the values and the principles that P.A. Sangma believed in. A.T. Mondal just shared with you a glimpse of what he was. Many of you will not know that when late P.A. Sangma was studying in St. Anthony's in Shillong, and you know how cold Shillong used to be that time. He had nothing but one half sweater. That's it. And as far as I remember, my mother and he used to tell us that he had, 2 shirts and 2 pants. That's it for his entire college career. That's all. And at the weekend, I know he will not like it when I tell you this, but in the weekend, he used to be in the towel, washing that shirt and the pants he had, the 2 pairs, the 1 pair, sorry, 2 pairs shirt and pant, and he used to wash it and wait till those clothes would dry up during those Sundays or Saturday, because he did not have the resources to buy enough clothes. My mother will tell you that in our matrilineal society, we have to come and obviously live in the wife's house. So when P.A. Sangma was married to my mother, he came with just one small suitcase. And he had only, I think, 1 pair of pants and shirts and very less clothes. And that's the humble background for which he had come, the struggles that he faced. A.T. Mondal did not share with you, but when he was studying in Dibrugarh, he used to get up at 5 in the morning. He used to give tuitions to earn money. And then after giving tuitions, he used to again teach and give special classes in the school. Then he used to go for his MA classes.
And I compare to make this occasion today for various reasons. We are having a celebration. I tried to escape this function, but we are coming out from the rooms, anywhere in the road, going to the building, Even in the buses, even in the Sabzi Bazar, everyone wants that there must be celebration. So it is a compulsion on behalf of us that this function must be there, we must be smiling and we must be watching each other, and that's why this function is today. I want to express the heartfelt gratitude to the state of Meghalaya, especially Honorable Chief Minister, the entire team of Cabinet Minister and Health Minister especially, the IS officers who are the spirit behind of making this institution, the Sangma International Medical College and Hospital. Today I must say it is only name. We have to show the performance in the coming days, and this is our commitment. It is natural that when there is a child is not giving birth in a normal plan, everyone worries. And if you find that it is taking more time, and finally you are getting the birth with a very heavy, or you can say with more weight of a baby, it becomes, in one side it is very good, healthy, but in the other side, the people who have given the birth, they become getting more, you can say, attention, and finally they become more accountable to take care.